Hello, Boy. Thanks for coming. Today's stream will be setting up the auto splitter. I also been thinking about what to use for auto splitting. And the first setup I used for John and Shion was based on the white screens. There's another thing I can use though, and I just realized it a few minutes ago. I can use the health bars. So I'll explain it first, and then I'll start doing the auto splitter thing. Oh, but I should stop it from doing so though. So right now the auto splitter is turned on. Let's see. How do I stop it from doing anything? We'll set it to an empty folder or something. Yeah, we'll set it to John and Shion, but since we're at range, it shouldn't do anything. There's one thing that's consistent on most battles, and that's health bars come and go away. So this is Maris's health bar, right? So we can start at some point when the health bar appears. I need to screenshot it at some point, but I just need one screenshot. Then health bar, as soon as she dies, the health bar disappears. And that happens for every spell and for every character, except there is one character, and it's this one. She has 2 life bars, not 2 life bars. Okay, the life bar disappears here, but she does change her spell card mid battle here without having her life bar change. So I'll have to do something special for Kogasa, like waiting for the health bar to, or waiting for that text to appear at the bottom of the screen. That could be one of the things I can do. And then this part, just to wait for the health bar to disappear. As for starting the battle, instead of starting it on this fade, I can start it on the health bar appearing. Though I think this was slept at 3 AM because didn't sort of time. You did. Darn. I try to go to sleep early, even if I'm not sleepy, because I also have that issue that if I can stay all night watching stuff. Yeah, it's good to look at the time every now and then. I try to divide my activities in intervals of 25 minutes, so that way I can be sure that I have stops at some point. Also meant that I listened to Kaneko's theme for 5 hours straight. Nice. When I'm working, I sometimes just loop one song. Well, here's one problem that could happen if I pause, then it may count as the health bar disappearing. Now that I think about it, I should be careful with that. with how I'm going to make it see the health bar. Because doing this could make the game the splitter think that split is over. So I should be careful with bosses, more careful than normal. I don't think I had not thought about that bosses could have that problem. Since pausing removes the UI. That's an interesting dilemma actually. They probably do that so that you know that you're spending that much time in the game. That happens. I played World of Warcraft not for long, but I remember World of Warcraft having an in-game, a real-time in-game, and yeah, even having the real-time in-game doesn't help sometimes. Let me think about this. How am I going to make it so that if I accidentally pause, split is not ruined? Maybe I should just avoid accidentally pausing. Here's what I can do. I'll have to reprogram my controller. I don't remember the name of the app I used to change how the controller works, because it belongs to for device manager. This should be. I want to. Okay, this is the bot. Goodbye, Mr. Bot. How do I get him? I'm just reporting the bot just 1 second. Yeah. How do I even... If I block the bot, does it actually count as banning him? No. How do you ban people? Okay, here it is. Ban star. Here it is. Yeah, I was saying I need to change my controller settings. So give me 1 second. How do you even use this program again? The button mapping. We'll reset this one to left trigger. So that way I can use that one to pause. That should be everything. So instead of using, I'm still using this. Oh, okay. I have to change the course. Ben modes. Hello. Welcome to the stream. Well, thanks for watching. How are you doing? How's everything going? Wait, that's manual. I need to change my what's it called? Config. Yes. down, left, right. B, R. I changed the start button so that I don't accidentally press start. And we're setting up the auto splitter. Okay. Let's see. The idea right now that I have for this is using because we're using a screenshots auto splitter. Using the health bars. Time a health bar appears or disappears to see when to split. When should the program split? Let me see I'd have to count how many health bars each character has, but for now, I think I also need to know when I want to split on Kogasa, because Kogasa has some quirk stuff. So her first health bar disappears there at that dialogue. This health bar though, it doesn't disappear on break on the change in spell card for some reason. But I think I'll just get I think I'll just use the health bar disappearing. There's an issue though. Health bar is green, right? So I need to remove the contents of the health bar. Just use the outer side. Oh yeah, I changed. Yeah, I need to use just the outer. When the outer side of the health bar disappears, then I can split. Yep. I guess I can use a screenshot from this battle. Let's go. Well, first of all, I need to get the screenshot right. I'll close this. Okay, what do I need from here, right? Mostly this part, but I need to exclude some of these. And this is what we're going to be using. Yeah, Yugi's probably very confused about what's happening. I need to get rid of all of this. So just by using that part, I think I can make splits for everything. So we'll go back to this, first selection, and delete everything. It got a little white here. I need to reduce it a little bit. Not white, a little green. That green could be bad for us. Let's see. Okay, let's invert it, and we'll. Okay, now we can invert it again. That should be it. Laiku, ¿qué tal? Estoy haciendo auto splitter para no tener que estar manualmente haciendo los splits. ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal? Gracias, gracias por venir. ¿Qué tal has estado, Rico? Okay, let's see. Yeah, it should be good. Las historias de Skullgirls. Este es buen juego. Deberíamos jugar algún día. Yo ya días no juego. Debo de estar super oxidado. I haven't played Skullgirls in a while. I'm probably super rusty. Okay, you can't see what I'm doing right now, but I'm just adding that picture into a folder. That'll help us set up the auto splitter. Where's the picture? Okay, so the idea is we want the reload this to be on Rainbow. Where's the Rainbow? Okay. The idea is to see what happens when we just add the health bar. So the timer should start. It didn't start for some reason. Oh, no, wait, it did start. The splitter did start. Oh, there's something wrong with oh, wait, no, it did start. That one does not. I'm using the incorrect layout, it seems, or something. Okay, no, never mind. We're doing fine. So let's beat Marisa and see what. Let's see. Okay, it splits immediately when the health bar comes in, right? So we wanted to split when the health bar goes out, which means that I should add there's a flag that makes it so that the splitter splits when the image gets off screen. Okay, so let's reset this. Start over. So run starts here, right? So it should split on the first the first time Marisa loses her health bar. Okay, that's right. Issue is that, well, that's just half of the battle, right? So I could do one of two things. Since I can now easily split, I could add the spell card split into the splitter, which would be really nice. But I don't know the names of the spells, so that'll take some time. So we'll do a first pass. With this first pass, I'll just go through the characters themselves. So Marisa has 2 health bars, which means the first one should be a dummy split, and then this next one should be an actual split. So for a dummy split, I'll copy paste this one. So this is the second one, which should be the actual split. And then the first one should be a dummy split. I should add a D to the name. You can't see that right now, but I'll explain it in a bit. Okay, these are the images I'm using right now. So what does this mean? Okay. First of all, this is the reset screen. Whenever I'm at this screen, the timer should reset. So let's try that now. So I'm at this screen, but the screen is not resetting for some reason. The splitter is not resetting. Let's see. Let's try again. Let's go. Let's start here. So the timer should start. But if I go out through here, this should reset, but it's not doing it. Okay, it did reset, but it took some time. Okay. I need to manually reset here. Let's see. So Marisa, right? The first one should be a dummy split, and then the second one should be an actual split. And that should take care of Marisa. Let's see. Did it split? Yep, it did split. So what's the thing is that it's going to be different from my usual splits because I split on the explosion. But I think splitting on the health bar going away is it's much better because it's more consistent with every character. Oh yeah, I changed where the pause button is. I forgot about that. So now to do this for everyone, right? Let's see. Okay, Kogasa has two health bars. Also, the reset's not working. Why is it? Does it need a more threshold? Yeah, I'll set it at 75%. It's not that important. I could also remove the background for the reset screen. I think that should make it better. Actually, let's do that right now. Let's see. Do that right now, actually. So this is the reset screen, right? Open new document. Okay. What do we need? What do we need from this screen? Been thinking for the spellcard split, maybe you could just give some custom names. I could go with meme names, or I normally don't name the spell cards. I just call them first, second, third, etc. That could be a thing though. Naming them, giving them meme names. They do. The whole wiki does have the actual names though, so I could also go with that. Those are two viable options. In any case, what do we want here? Well, we can take these. I think just selecting the black pixels in this image should be good. And I'll remove we'll remove these because it just makes it noisier. Hello Krogaro, thanks for watching. That's a cute racing. More cute tuhus. Thank you very much. I keep erasing what I don't want to erase. Okay, let's see. I'm currently making making the screenshots so I can use them to auto split Goyoku even, so I don't have to split manually, because splitting manually is very painful. Okay, I think that should be enough. So now we select inverse and we delete everything, and that should be good enough. Okay, let's see. I could even remove the Goyoku Ibun thing. No, wait. Yeah, I'll remove it, because that way I can use the splits with the older version that didn't have Goyoku Ibun. Sana and Raisin. Cute. Thanks for that. All right, we'll see. We'll try this image then, but I'll increase the, maybe 90% should be enough. It's there was a blackout, so I need a second to switch to I need to switch to alternative power. I'll be right back, I'm sorry. There was a blackout. Sí, ya voy. Ya no mira por qué. Yep, I forgot to cut the mic. I'm just setting up the solar power thing so that I can directly use it. So give me a second, please. Thank you very much. Okay. I just finished. Oh my god! I just finished setting up the auxiliary power, and the power just came back. Ay, ay, ay. I'll keep the auxiliary power though just in case it goes it goes again, it goes out again. Oh, yeah, yeah. Thanks for waiting. Okay, so this is the image we're using. Let's try it out. We have to reload the thing. So if I do this, the run starts. Should start. Why are you not starting our splitter? Life similarity 90, highest similarity 90, but the threshold should be 90, so it's not starting for some reason, though the threshold is... Maybe it's resetting. No, that's weird. Oh wait, it started. Okay, let's see if it resets. Should reset on this on this screen. It's not resetting. Why are you not resetting? Okay, maybe I need to reload the images. Let's see. Only one image with reset is... okay, I have to... okay, I see what happened. Krita created a backup of the reset file. And then the auto splitter didn't know what to do. Because there were two files named reset. Okay, I deleted the file. Why does the blackout happen often? Is it because of bad weather? No, it's just third world country things. Power's really bad around here. Let's try that again. I should start a timer. Coming to this screen should stop the timer. It's not working. Why is it not working? It was working yesterday. Let's see. So this is the image, right? There's something wrong with this image. Okay, I know what we can do to test this. I can name it 001 0001. That should show up on the splitter once we start. Let's see. Okay, it did actually... Wait, did it actually reset? Hello, Gamov. Thank you for watching, Gamov. How are you doing? I'm setting up the splitter for this game. I'll try doing it for the full game. But right now I'm just experimenting with the ring. So it does reset. It's just it is just being it's just being a pain. Screenshot based. I do a memory based one, but that'll take a while. Okay, why doesn't it reset now though? It did, but it took some time. That's weird. Okay, I'll reduce the similarity of the reset. It should reset on 80% now. So let's reload that. Come on, reset. Why is it not resetting? Okay, it does reset, but it takes a while. I'm not sure why. Maybe it's because the start has a 10 seconds delay. Hello, Sas. Thanks for watching. How are you doing, Sas? I'm setting up the auto splitter for this screen. It's using screenshots. Once I'm finished, I'll share it. Share the screenshots so everyone can have it. Da, 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 da. Wait, it didn't start. Why didn't it start? Okay, it started now. Let's see. Oh yeah, I changed the pause button. I'm glad you find Sass. Now it looks like okay. No, it's working. That's weird. Okay, I will do the rest of the things. Give me 1 second. Let's see. I'll try doing the rest of the. That's just the manual. Why do I keep going to the manual when I want to go to the music room? Let's see. So, after Marisa, then there's Kogasa, right? Yeah, chat's very hectic today. That's good. Okay, so Kogasa has 2 health bars, so Kogasa, and then we copy this, and then we go 004, Kogasa. .png, but one of these should be a dummy, should be number 3, should be a dummy. Okay, that should work. So let's reload and try again. Oh yeah, I need to reset this because it's not resetting for some reason. Maybe I should use the previous reset. The previous reset image was working actually really well, so maybe I should use the one that I was using previously. I keep not pressing the correct pause button. So that's the first. It takes a dummy split, and that should be, yeah, that's the next split. Nice. It reset. Okay, the reset screenshot's not working well. I'm gonna use the one that I was using previously, because it's not working too well. So let's go back. Let's. Okay, the thing made a mistake for a bit. Let's go. Next step should probably be doing it for all spell cards. What I want to do, make it for the whole game first, and going all spell cards for the whole game will take a while. So rather just do this first, and then we can go for every spell card. It looks like the health bar thing is the best way to go about this. Okay, first dummy split, and now health bar should come back. Okay, good. That should be the next split. Nice. Okay, now to count how many splits, how many health bars does Yugi have, and I think I'll count every health bar that's missing right now, so we can do one whole pass. Let's go. Okay, so Yugi, right? First health bar. 1. Hey. I messed up. Okay, 1. Hello, Microsphere. Thanks for watching, Micro. How's it going today? Okay, second health bar, so 2 health bars. And then this would be the third one, so Yugi has 3 health bars we have to account for. 2 of them should be dummy right now. And then... Oh, hello Arky. Hello, good morning. Right, that's the third health bar. Well, so far it looks like going with health bars will help making the auto splitter. Well, not making it. The auto splitter is already made, but getting the screenshots we need for those. So let's see. Yugi, right? Yugi takes 3 health bars. Right now I'm just health bar counting, so I can do them all in one go. Right, Kanako. Okay, 1. Two. 3. And one final one. So Kanako has 4 health bars. Oku, I think, has 4 as well, but we'll count them just to be sure. Okay, 1. 2. 3. She has 5. I released the water. It's fine. So this is the 5th, right? Yeah, I thought she had 4, but she has 5. And now Yuma, who I believe she has 5 as well. No, wait, she has an extra non-spell, so she should have 6. 1. 2. 3. 4. Okay, she has 5 then. Yeah, she has 5 then. Would it be possible to beat Oku, one of Oku's faces, so fast that the splitter wouldn't register it, since she seems to be very frail in lower difficulties? I don't think so. The only one that I can think that could probably do that, if possible, is Murasa. But yeah, Murasa, but even Murasa spends a couple of seconds on Oku, at the very least. The shortest battle of all is this one, Reimu versus Marisa. It's just 4 seconds. But even then, the health bar appears rather quickly. So if that's the shortest battle, and it can detect it, then that should be fine. Let's see. The only way I can think is that should be possible if I somehow can hit her like 1 extra time here, like with that attack, like it's exactly in the middle. But I think even then, the health bar goes all the way to the left before leaving. Wait. That's interesting. Let's go back a few splits. Okay, the health bar appearing here and disappearing here. Let's go one split forward. That's okay. The other splitter kind of broke. Let's start it over. It still doesn't want to reset. Okay, this is kinda quiet. I made a mistake. I wanted to go to home. Is this too home? Yeah. Let's see. If I pause here, it goes to the next split, right? So let's try doing this. Let's see if it splits. I messed up. Go back one split. Go back one split. I need to test this. Okay, but I need to wait for it to accept new splits. The auto splitter reset. I'm not sure why, but sometimes it just resets. Maybe the reset threshold is too high. Okay, I'll wait a second. I need to wait 10 seconds between trying. Right. Well, it went all the way to the end for some reason. Does the auto splitter start though if I do this? It doesn't. That's some quirky behavior. It not starting when I start that time. Let's see. Okay, that's true. That was too fast. That was too fast for a split. It didn't split. It did not split. How can I recover this? Because it sometimes will and it sometimes won't. So there needs to be something on Utsuho that we have to use instead of normal split. Maybe let's think about this. Yeah, the thing doesn't appear quickly enough for this particular one. Let me think. So I need another queue, a different one for this one. She doesn't always go there. She has some weird stuff. That she does. If you, for example, wait a little bit. Oh, it's very rare that she's not there, but maybe for Oku, I can look at the score for the first dummy split. When the score moves, because the score right now is there, but it moves with the health bar. So I need two splits, one when it's just on the right. And when the health bar goes away, the score resets to the goes to the left and then to the right. So I could use that for this particular one. Actually, that's true for all health bars. So instead of using the health bar, I could use the score. So I'm not sure if there are other instances of the score moving. It always moves. Yeah, like there, it moved away, and it came back. The score does come into the screen faster though than the health bar. So I could use two dummy splits there. The issue being that having to do two of those, will be more time consuming. So I think I'll use the score just when I can't use the health bar, which is Oku's case, I suppose. Okay, so Oku, I will have to do something special for her. Use the score, at least for the first health bar. It's a good observation though that Oku has that quirk. Thank you, Subboy. Because I probably would have omitted it or discovered it much later. So let's see. Let's do the score thing. Oh yeah, I need the screenshots, right? Let's see. Let's use Oku just because. It's easier. Okay, move the scout to the left. Those are the two shots we need. Right inside. I would probably be. what do you call this? Yeah, I'll probably be very very disappointed at that point. Not really crying, but very disappointed. Okay, give me 1 second, let's see. Okay, we're doing the score, right? Let's see. I forget where does this save the screenshots. I'll address that in a minute. You'll see why. I have. Well, it's... You'll see. Let's finish doing this. So I just need the course position. And we'll remove everything that's not score. We do have to remove the extra bits also. Once again, I think I just select everything that's white, or everything that's not that, because we'll do the selection. Where's the brush? I need a pixel brush for this. I can't see the selection. What's wrong with this? Is it because it's... Why is this not working? Whatever's not in red is what's selected. Why is this not working? Let's do the selection here. I'll use this. This should be part of the letters. It's like the shadows. They're not pixel perfect because it's blown out of proportion due to it being scaled. Hopefully that's good enough. I'll erase everything that's red. Work. And we have to do this one as well. I just realized I'm not showing what I'm doing right. Okay, same thing. I'll just inverse. Actually, I'll just delete. I'll just leave the white parts. And hope that's good enough. Program should be looking just for that. Okay, give me 1 second. Let's see what's up with this. What's up with this image? We already saved it as health bar, so not sure why it's asking me to save it again. Okay. So for Utsuho, we want to use a score one. It's these two. Okay, give me a second. Let me think about it. Okay, so we have the first core, the one that's on the right and the ones on the left. So this should be first. Okay, cause Yugi and Kanako, I'll be using health bars as well. We already counted them. There are 3 for Yugi and 4 for Kanako. So let me see. Let's change the music while I'll do the edits. Oh, it's not the edits. I'm renaming some files. So. Yeah, that should be for Yugi. Wait for Yugi. Kanako has 5. No, Kanako has 4. Okay. Did I start this with the... I messed up. Should have started with the start button. So with Auro scroll to the next one. For Kanako, 4. So 2, 3, 4. Okay, now for Utsuho. So the question is, does Utsuho need to use the score on every health bar or just on the first one? I'm not sure. Let's see. Yeah, keep going to the manual. Let me think about it. The first Utsu is number 5. The first bar can be skipped, right? So that's why we did the score thing. Right, this is normal mode, isn't it? It was hard mode. Okay. We know this first one can be skipped, right? I didn't skip it that time, but we know it can be skipped. Now for this one, I highly doubt it. How about this one? I don't think so, because this one needs a little bit of damage as well. Unless we could knock her out on that first volley. Now this one as well. This is not perfect, but she needs a little bit of damage there as well. I messed up. Okay, I have an idea. I don't remember the optimal pattern for this one, but I think Kuro Tyson recently did a Reimu. Create challenge story mode, Reimu stage 5. Yeah. Let me check Kuro's video and then we'll see if that first health bar is gone very quickly. The second health bar has time to make itself into the it has enough time, so that's okay. Third health bar as well. Yeah, fourth health bar also has chance to come up. And the final also. So it's just that one first one that has issues. Okay. So we'll do the score for the score thing for the first health bar, and then we'll do. I keep going into the manual. It's Emmanuel's curse. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, so this already did Yugi. I need to do Kanako. Okay, Kanako is this one, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 4, so that's good. But now it's okay. Okay. When the score is to the right, number 12. Score is to the left, it's number 13. Yes, the manual's curse. You can't see what I'm doing right now because I'm just renaming some files, but I'll go back in a bit. Okay, 13, 14. When the score when the score goes back 0, 11, 12, 13. Okay, you should split, then you have to copy this one. Should be 0, 15, I suppose. Yeah, it was the blackout once again. So I was right in not changing to power to search power immediately. Yeah. Okay, with that we can at least go up to Oku and see if everything works. So I'll try that now, right now. I'll try it. Hopefully it works. So, let's see. Yeah, the split is a little bit early. Because split used to be on White Flash. But now I'm using the health bars. So the split will be a little bit early. That was a very quick course. Messed up. Didn't mean to do that. I needed that water. I released that early. That should have ended. That should have done the split. So I'm not sure what's up. What does the auto splitter think? It's still waiting for a health bar. Okay. So I did the split manually. Okay, there's a thing. It didn't work because the which one is it? This one. The default time is long between changes, so the default time here should be very small. Maybe that's also what didn't help with the Kanako fight. That the fight was the difference between health bars was too low, so it skipped some of them. Because the default time is like 10 seconds. Maybe I should reduce the default time. I'll reduce it to 5. We'll have to test up to Kanako. So we'll skip. Yeah. Yeah, we'll have to start here. Oh, but it's looking for Kogasa. He's looking for Yugi for some reason. I think I'll have to redo the thing manually to see if it works. Ay. Ouch. The timing for the Koga stock bug. Oh, I'll explain that in a minute. You'll see. Yugi's working. I think Kanako was the one that had issues. More than getting it at her second health bar, I think it's an issue of. Okay, it's expecting a health bar here, so it won't work. It worked this time. Yeah, Utsu has issues. I mean, it jumped. It jumped from. It jumped from 11 directly into 15. Not sure why though. Maybe. Maybe it needs a bigger threshold. Or a more strict threshold. Let's see, 12. Okay, let's try 95%. Sleep. Good luck with runs, water action. Thanks, Rasto. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Was there a raid really? Why can I why it didn't show? Alright. Raid. Thanks, Rasto. Thank you very much for the raid. Oh, thank you very much. I'm sorry I didn't address it immediately. For some reason it's not showing. I need to get better at this. Thank you very much. Well, more than doing water action runs at the moment, I'm trying to make an auto splitter. Well, take the screenshots needed for the auto splitter, because the auto splitter is already made. But that's what we're doing today. Yes, a stealth raid. I changed a lot about chat recently, so that's probably what I'm missing. I'm missing the raid subscription and everything, notifications. Need to check that out. Ay. But thank you very much. Welcome everyone. Okay, I'll explain what's happening right now. I'm having issues with Utsuho because sometimes, very rarely, but you can do it. You can skip one of the health bars up from appearing. From appearing completely, that is. Which is this first health bar. If you're in easy mode and you do this perfectly, which is not always, of course, but let's see if I can do it. The health bar doesn't finish appearing, which means that I can't use that for splits because it's inconsistent. So I'm trying to use the score, just the word score, because it moves to the left and then to the right immediately. I think there was for the raid, but there was some. Oh yes, there's supposed to be a sound for that one. There's supposed to be a sound, so I didn't hear it. Yeah, I see. That was the problem. I didn't hear the sound. The sound's not playing. Give me a second. Let's see. So my idea was using the score, right? But it's not. It doesn't seem like it's working. Let's So I'll just do a new folder just for this. Let's see. Okay, moon needs to start and reset split as well. I'm doing an auto split just for the Utsuho part, just to test those two out. Let's see. Okay, I'll go test. Reload start image should be the same. This should start the run. It's not starting. Wait, it's not starting the run. The auto splitter seems to be having issues. Why won't you start the run? Okay, so current similarity threshold is 90%, and that's wrong. It should be like 90 something. 95, I believe. Let's see. Okay, right now the thing says threshold is... Okay, let's go back. Reset this. The highest similarity is 95, right? But it goes under, so it should be like 94 then. Probably goes under because of the background, so we'll be 93. We'll try again. Will Oku quickly be easier on Murasa? I don't think she dies before the health bar goes all the way, but we can try. Okay, let's see. Which one's Oku? I think Utsu is number. Okay, this is Marisa. I think Utsuho is 4 or 5. Yeah, it's also after this battle. So yes, she's number 5. Yeah, this is 5. She has her health bar has time to appear. It looks like you can barely do it. Yeah, you can do it. It's fine though, because even if the health bar doesn't appear all the way, what we're looking for right now is the score. So it can be done with either her or with the Reimu. I already have the Reimu screenshots, so I think I'll use those. But yeah, it can be done with Murasa as well, and it's not that bad actually. Let's see. Let's see if it captures the score. Okay, it did. So it's now the second one. Let's okay, let's do it normal. Let's just go and let's see if the splitter does its thing. So we should have split, but it didn't. Because it needs less time. 3 seconds too much. Also micronado. Did I welcome people. Yeah. I have so much right now on my head. Give me 1 second. Let's go. So we did split, so if I have the score go away, you should split again. Yep, and then it goes back to the auto start, because it has no more splits to go, but that's fine. So yeah, it's working with the score now. The other ones I'll do them with the health bar. So they shouldn't be hard to do. So give me a second and we'll change the names of the files and we can go. It would probably have been easier to just this will do to just use. No, I'm just okay. The thing works, so I'm just changing the files so that we can have Utsuho. Okay, let's see. So, okay, this should be a dummy. This shouldn't be a dummy split. Actually, it should be an actual split. So, take the B out, and we have. Wait, no. It should be a dummy split. Yes. And the next one should be a health bar. There should be 4 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. $13, $14, $15, $16. So we go score. That's the first health bar. 14, second, third. Okay, what's this 115 though? 1, 2, 3. 15, 15, 16, and 17 should be dummy health bars. Those are our Utsuros. So score is 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. This last one shouldn't be dummy though. This should be normal health bar. And we have Yuma. Yuma has 5. So we're going to copy this 17. Going to make it an 18. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then one more. And that last one would be 19. This is just for testing purposes. But I didn't. What did I do? I should rename these because it's getting hard. Okay, to imagine just which ones they are. Let's see, give me 1 second. Let me think about this. So 17 is the last Utsu, so 18 should be dummy. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 19 should not be dummy. So 18, so there should be 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th one should not be dummy. And that should do it for the Emu. Let's try it out. It shouldn't start until I start. It starts correctly. Let's go. Okay, that will mess up the auto splitter pausing there. So we have to start over. No, it did reset, it did reset. 7. 7, ¿qué tal? Carlo. Dakar. It didn't split on Marisa though. Didn't reset, you say? Okay, let's see, let's go back. Did it even start? It did start. Oh, okay. I know what's happening. I forgot to change the folder in which it's looking for the pictures, for screenshots. So it was still in the Oku one. Now this time for real. Let's go. Is that enough water for a volley at the start? That works. That works as well. Ouch. Okay, that's fine. Since I'm using the health bars, not the explosion, times will be a little bit different from normal, but that's fine. As long as it's consistent from now on, from now onwards, I can just retime the original runs. Kanako-sama. Release that too early. Not enough water here. So did Yugi? Ah, okay, I see. I see what you mean. I think. Yeah, because Kanako also is early, I think. Yeah. Yeah, the something messed up in Yugi. I think it's because when Yugi slams the ground, she does like flash, and in that flash, the health bar was probably lost. Let me see. Let me check it out. Yugi's 3. Yeah, she was early last time as well, right? It's because she flashes the screen white. So the splitter thinks that that white thing is the health bar, but it's not. That can be fixed easily though. I just have to add a white flash in between those two, and that should do it. Yeah, I want to at least finish Reimu in this stream, but I need a second. I'll be right back. Yeah, but it's not hard to fix those. Let's see. That should be before the last one, which is this one. No. Jon and Shion have white flashes. Oh, this should work. We should go between 8 and 7. No, 7 and 6 actually. Okay, that should work. Try it again. I paused. That messed up the splitter. Yeah, I think that should fix it though. Going back and forward on the split. Okay, this should be the flash. It didn't register though. For some reason, the flash didn't register, but the other the health bar does. Not sure why. I'll just copy the health bar and use that. Or actually, I could give it how much time? I could give it a good 15 seconds, but I'm not sure. I should. No, we'll fix it. We'll fix it like this. We'll copy the number 6. We'll give it a 6. Wait, what's 6.5? Does that work? Now, where is it? What does it show before this one though? Because of the dot. That's probably. Yeah, that works. This will be 6.5 instead of this one. We should start a timer, but we should be able to start on Yugi if we skip. Start a timer. Okay, it started the timer, right? So we should be able to go to Yugi. Why are you not skipping? It's looking for Kogasa's last thing. Not sure why. Okay, fine. We'll start on Kogasa then. Ah no, wait. That doesn't work. With the similarity threshold, you know, that could work as well. We could see how similar the image is and increase it so that it doesn't jump on when Yugi flashes. So how do we want to do this? Okay, I know how we can do this. Let's start on Yugi. And if need be, we can skip using pause. This should be the first Yugi flag. First, yeah. Oh, it still says Kogasa. For some reason. Which one's next? Ah, the splitter auto goes back. That's the thing. Okay, never mind. Give me a second, let me think. Okay, I'll change the similarity threshold for that one Yugi bit. I'll increase it to like 97. We'll remove this one. So maybe that way it doesn't jump. I don't know how to test it immediately though. I'll have to play. I have to play everything up to that point. That might be the case. That working with screenshots is not ideal. It's just that it's easier than having to go and hunt all of the memory addresses, which I could do, but I don't know. I don't feel like it at the moment. Maybe I will at some point though. If this becomes too much of a hassle, I'll maybe try going for the memory addresses instead. I messed it up. I think it didn't matter because the pause was at a good moment where the splitter wasn't checking. Yeah, it didn't matter. Good. That was terrible. So here's the moment of truth. Let's see. Nope. It did the same thing. I think it's because it fills the screen with white and the bar is white completely. So even if I have a high threshold for it, there still needs to be another bar there. But it's fine since it's detecting it always. It means that we can just copy the one that already exists, and it should work. But I think the problem is the bar is plain white. So that's a problem. And I don't use the health because of course the health is changing every time. Okay, let me see. Let me think. What else? But that copying that should fix Yugi. Oh, let's try once more. Thanks for the cheers, Adek. Let's go. Flank cheer, flank cheer. Instead of holding start here at the start, I'll just press it once. Just to avoid any weird stuff. Yes, it's easier because there are bosses that don't flash red. There are bosses. No. There are bosses that don't flash the screen white when they die. There are bosses that don't flash the screen black when they die. There are bosses that don't flash the screen. But all bosses have health bars. So it's easier to do it this way, I think. Okay, here comes. Good. I think all bosses have that character portrait. The only issue is that I would have to use a different image for each one. So I'd have to take a lot of screenshots, and I think all in all it's a little bit easier to do it this way with the health bar. Maybe the advantage of using the character portraits would be that there would be no possibility of a white flash interrupting the run. Okay, now it's looking for score, so it's good. I'll try to do a quick Utsu for the first part if I can. Okay, I wasn't able to, but it looks like it did. Why is she so high up? Okay, good. Now to check if we counted Yuma correctly. Yuma's plant shear. And shear micro, I didn't see it earlier. I was thinking there's another thing we could use actually, and that's Remus portrait on the lower left. I would need one for each character, but maybe it's safer to use that specific portrait than... You know, that's another option. Using each character's playable portrait. Also, Yuma didn't split. I probably have an extra Yuma. Wait, no, that should have been the last one. It didn't the splitter stop. You would lose on spell. Oh yeah. No wait. Does the portrait go away if you use a spell card, or just the water gauge? Where's my start button? Also, Yuma. We were missing one split on Yuma. Do you lose your portrait? I don't remember. Who has the best water? I think Yugi has a lot of water at the start. Oh no, wait, Kogasa has a lot of water as well. It's fine, this should work. So let's see our portrait. Portrait's still there. I think portrait goes away on... Yeah, portrait stays there. So that's fine. On dialogue, portrait goes away. But that can be managed though. There's one thing. Ah, okay. This, yeah, the spell card split potential. Yeah. Okay, I misunderstood. Yeah. I wouldn't be able to split on spell cards if I use the portrait. Let's see if we can. Let's see if it allows us. Yuma. Okay, this is the start split for Yuma. Should be right. First down. Second down. Third down. And it stops. Oh no, wait. Okay. Next down. Now for the last one, this should be... Okay. It did something weird there. It restarted from the start auto splitter. Not sure why though. It didn't see the number 19. Didn't see the image number 19 for some reason. 1 second, give me 1 second, let's see. Why would it go to, why would it restart? I wish the auto splitter gave you more information about what happened, because I have to be checking it out. Maybe there's a log somewhere. Do you help about updates? Check for. We should have had a log so I could see what happened. Okay. The last one is 019D. And that should be the end. But for some reason it didn't want to do it. It didn't want to split at the end. It's the same image as every other. Try again. Let's try one more time. Would you mind resetting the game? No? Okay, I'll reset for you. We go through here just so that it starts the timer. It's not starting the timer. We start the timer. What are you doing, game? It has to be a 99. It has to be 93% certain that this is the thing. I think that's why it's not doing anything. Current similarity is 90. This is 95, 94 sometimes. So this should start it, but it's not starting. Let's restart. Let's see. I'll restart this thing. Oh, why would you go? Reload start image. This goes under 93. Okay, I know where I made a mistake. Shouldn't be 93, should be 0.93. Since it uses, it doesn't use, yeah, okay, that was my mistake. That's fine. So it should start. Okay, great. Now we skip up to Yuma. I don't think it's possible. I have to check if it's possible, but so far it seems that it's a very simple program. It just compares whatever it on the live feed with a screenshot. I don't see anywhere you can add logic to it. Yeah, Gamov has much more experience with it, so if Gamov says it's not possible, then I think it's not possible. still not it's still not getting that final split for some reason. Yeah, that's sounds. Yeah, that's the first thing I thought about doing. Okay, that split works. So next is number 18 and some numbers because I didn't rename them completely. So next is okay, after this one this should be another dummy split. This should be the last dummy split actually. And then it should go through number 19 because this is number 18. Then it comes back and it just doesn't work. The last split, it doesn't wait for the last split for some reason. So I think it might have something to do with the time it takes. So give me a second, I'll check the time and we'll do it again. I think that's the issue. The white flash, is wait, is there a white flash there? Let me retry and see if there's a white flash there. I don't think there's a white flash or anything that would confuse the thing, but still this one. If there's a white flash, I don't remember it. Let's see. Nope. Okay, maybe it was just a mistiming. Because since I just copied the images said copy 1, copy 2, copy 3. So maybe the thing in parentheses messed up the parentheses messed up the. That's the only thing I can think of. The parentheses messed up whatever it was going, the game was going for. So one more try, but I do have to. It's already lunchtime, and I have to go. Let's just give it one more try. If not, I'll have to fix it myself later. Ouch. Mm, let's give it 12 seconds. But which one was the image I was using? I'll have to rename all these. I'll give it 12 seconds so that it waits until Yuma wakes up. I think that's the issue. Yuma takes a little bit longer to wake up there. If this doesn't fix it, I'm not sure what will, so I'll have to experiment myself later. Oh wait, I'm on Kogasa. Gosh darn it. I forgot to change the split. To skip the splits. Alright, Supper Boy, thanks for watching. Hope you have a nice meal. Have a good day as well. I didn't want to do that. Okay, let's see. Okay. The HP bar's there, but it keeps doing it. Not sure why it does it. Well. I'll have to split manually. But that's just too weird because everything was working fine. I'll have to check it out later though. Alright everyone. By next time I should already have at least this auto splitter, and I'll try making more for each character, and hopefully for each hopefully I can just throw them all in one place and make the splitter for the full game, so I don't have to worry about splitting that much anymore. Also, I need to fix that the raid and follow things. I think this is good. Thanks for watching though. We'll have more actual runs tomorrow probably. Tomorrow Saturday though, so I might or might not. Saturdays are always a coin toss for me. Yes, and thank you for watching. Thank you, Gravy Bay. Thank you, Mama. Supper was already gone, but thank you as well. Everyone else, trust for the raid as well. So I think he said he would go to sleep soon. Everyone, thanks a lot, and hope you have a good day.